This association is almost a 30 years old association which is working for all Goan IT dealers for their upliftment or whatever the issues are there to resolve them and to get them the new opportunities time by time and to conduct the trainings to get them equipped with the new technologies. So this is our motto. So on the same motto, so we organize a tech day which gets more of the brands with the new technology and latest opportunity. So with this, our members they attend a tech day event and they like take the knowledge of new products, new opportunities which are available in the industry. So normally the IT industry has changed a lot. So which was earlier only PC and laptop. So now it is PC or laptop. It is plus. So plus in the sense we are not only restricted to the PC or a laptop business. We have many other opportunities which are come into the industry. So if we don't learn that or if we don't get adapted to that, so then we will not be there in the industry. In the motto of that, we have organized such events before also, and this is the second event of this year. And yearly we organize 4 events, quarterly 1 event. So with this event, many members get opportunity to enter the new business opportunities and new ventures, and by that they add their portfolio with the better profit margins and better earnings.